The core elements of the online quality rubric are key items that your peers have deemed essential for each online course. These key elements include items such as the orientation and syllabus.
So the basic elements that I include in my orientation module are, first of all, opportunities to get to know me as a professor. And so I often will put together a little PowerPoint slideshow of me and my family and my kids and grandkids, and talk about my vacations and talk about the other work that I do, and just really try to make myself be a real person for them.
I think every online course should have certain things in their orientation module. Certainly, first and foremost, a welcome. It can be a challenging environment, and really what I found is a useful thing is just right off the bat have a welcome, either on video or just written, to where you say, thanks for taking my course, I'm glad you're here.
Just contact information is extremely important. Students may come in and they've never taken a class online. I have that all the time because I teach an introductory health class, and so they're like, I don't know what I'm doing, what do I do? And so I think just the reassurance to students that, here's my face. I definitely add a photo. Sometimes I make it personal, but that's just my own philosophy. I want students to feel like they know me and know about my life, but more, how they can get in touch with me.
I think you should have students have an introduction section in that orientation module where either through film or video they introduce themselves to each other. So even though they're now not in the same classroom, they can have that feel that they know who's on this journey with them.
Most of the core elements are covered on the first day of class in a traditional face-to-face environment. We must ensure that our online students have the same learning experience as those in a traditional classroom.
They need to see the course syllabus, they need to know the class schedule, due dates, all of those things that you might give students kind of week by week in a face-to-face possibly need to be set up out front. I think it's also important to tell them this is online and this isn't just you check in 20 minutes a day or whatever and say, good, I did it. I think it's good to set the expectation that this takes time, you are the learner, you're gonna have to be disciplined and motivated to be involved in this classroom.
It's just making sure that they're up to speed, that they know who to contact if they have any technical difficulties. Are they ready for an online course? Some of those type of links that we always provide to them. Certainly understanding, anyone who needs disability support services, and just all the same things that you do in a face-to-face course concerning the way the course is going to go. I usually have I separate out the course schedule so it's in its own little place, and I remind them that they can come back. That module will always be open. The orientation module will always be open, and they can return to it, they can take a look, they can see questions. And then I think also a big piece of an orientation module is say it a bunch of ways. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions.